Uzia putupurum kai bobi ena mfreme ma ya rehosem pa obejedi se ma me Akosua Serwaa appeal case ana appeal court ya abusia ofale eye na appeal kokoto honumi uzia me ensema abeto abonti ya tibi ene se oma cancel eye appeal no abusia akoya rehosem pa enche ye na court ekwa asetena na ne asetena na court koye no na chese ewo se omoshe date de mama me Akosua Serwaa appeal na abusia eno ene kokoba se court be kwa ahome be se bosome mensa enti ending of a year October, which is bosome edu na wieye ena court be kwa asetena na no ena abusia allege ensem bia ba beto abonti ensem no chire mu se entity bi aba beto mfrema mu se appeal no eye court a cancel eye appeal na abusia eye rehosempa na dia yi ene kofa we si ni na ba ye beko na yakwa akwaji nchire mu no edi aba na kakra ewum ene se abusia yese maame no eye the marriage set no eno ayo na akwa kofa eye nsensem bi di aba me maame kasa nyetenten no mepeso be ka me ho akwaji nchire mu hagusu yeke black media
me kan nyina dia bo machiro say da bi o ye wieye no see now it has not been disputed because no plaintiff lawyer not here. It has not been disputed. Etiene se wonsa ba be ka kire me say asem na wukuku court no afiri wasan lawyer ho say afiri wona wo dispute ya wasem no me san wadwene nyi because one san lawyer ko ntimi san wadwene dey na metimi ya ma.
Okay, Eugene, enti se lawyer ne jutum si ya ware ne dia. Then why did they go to court? Anna,
lawyer kuraji atumu say wetimi dispute ya.
Me masema me kan say the star witness say when the obi can abonti o where ya mo judgment me can mo judgment because me judgment no I'm not in agreement nti me can mo judgment ne say mo star witness ne say ye bisa ne say nenti na odobro ni nua na oye na busuani ne wan ba ware ni bi no o say satam na omo ya ware no ni asoma odobro ni nua na eye sada the boat no yere no ya asoma ne so nko Germany nko ya investigation said that the number na ware no so ja na waja ya mpa
o se o very kinim whatever ma se me baby e wo na makanya mi hu baby a wo de o kan
eno ba na kan sasam no
start with you what you make
eno ba wo hefa eno ba wadaro ma we de me srew me wo me laptop si menim ehin na wo na me nkan me ni
what you make ofa what you to
because asem dey
why we going back to this judgment okay mami can tell and maybe everything is about evidence mami look it's about evidence it's about evidence judgment why you hear videos share mami can tell those things you can show picture, you can show a video, and nothing ama marriage na mo to
Bible. When they are something called
there is no evidence. Now don't expect us to believe it.
So why would they are something called court? So which video they are? Why they are something called court?
And then your dear assembly court na me
there be also which video di
listen, the woman went to court to prove she's a married woman. She's married by ordinance or no court or koye. That was a reason, okay? Or no court no koye. The reason no is say, look,
Bible,
I'm the only legally married wife.
I'm saying at the pie busy kakrentino. So when you two who are no power tap and I'm more for monso no. Monso mon power tap and I'm to gift. Yes, sir. A bear and the live in a while, Tino. Mummy and Twasso, Bible, sorry.
And actually, me say, for me, my meaning a court like or court because almost challenging in marital status. So she just wanted to prove say by ordinance no only were married in Germany. That is why she went to court. But what Mimi can say, there is no picture, there is no video, and nothing until today we are still debating this same thing because per chance nka ye hu video na picture nka we nka nye debate bebebe yo but we are still debating because
Madam, because hold on,
Eugene, give me a minute. Right. Eugene, give me a minute. Our warrior 2000 Sekampo, we still have pictures till today. Even Ladi Lumba in the 90s videos, you can see Lumba is Obia, or no Obia, he's scared of cameras. Lumba in the 90s, now Ostate Wagana, no, he's one of the people, you see his videos like back to back. So, how can you tell me such a person, for some reason, became scared of cameras? I didn't, does not make sense. That is why we are still here. So what I say, and I'm telling you, if really there was a marriage between Priscilla and Daddy Lumba, I don't even see why we are here. Because that means only Mami Akosua, there is no marriage. Mami Akosua has gotten on any property, on any Juma Waye, on any shares, ni investment, or no identity there, she's gone. And then it's only Odobroni who will be in the picture. But why are we here? Because still there is no proof said there was a marriage. Yes, of course, court need to, I get it. But court, there are so many people who have gone to the court who are innocent, but they've been jailed. There are so many people who have also gone to the court. They are very, very, like, they are not innocent, but for some reason, they come out. It goes both ways.
So that's the point. It's even being appealed.
Exactly. It goes both ways. So what I'm trying to say is the reason why I think that till today, so that's some way, Intimi Koda is part of the reason why Obiti said me, I'm asking, sir, if really there was a marriage, why are we here? Because if there is a marriage, why would Odobroni actually even be happy, say, they're pouring champagne on her when Yabdia or Nonu Obi wives? That why would you do that? Me worry trad any illegal internet no obafo for biba no be can say aware bi wo babia. Oh my God, I will go to every length because I'll be saying, how is that possible? So what I say, so if really Odobroni is a married woman or she was married, why did she even accept the fact to say they made two of them wives? Also, no, why did Mami Akosua not get her investment? Because clearly on Lumba started, they invested together into Sawareni separate here. She would have gotten a bit. The woman is still here because Awareno never got to dissolved. Probably they had some issues along the line. Of course, Obafo for Awareno Mudia, there will be issues. So the issues need to happen somewhere along the line. But you see, absence does not mean Sawarego, Jede Smith, and Will Smith. They've separated for a while. Today they have gone back together. For a long time they were not living together, separation, but they're still married. So what I say, so I think we are still here because there is no video, there is no picture, there is no evidence.
Paragraph 49. Why? Me catch who kind plaintiff Odobroni case na paragraph 49. Ne kan say can say asem no.
Eugene, mame kan asem we enka Bible there no. Share Eugene, wo ye be ma ni bi. Share be ma person jai na yire a. Bibia ni ho e be stop no. Se be ma enya na yire replacement. No so say me pe oba foforo we ya na me ja wa foforo oba foforo he me say o pare a me aboto. Wo ye ne de obeja wo. Say so o eniema no gum no ode dodo na kra ma wo. Na okofa oba foforo a wo pe a. Monsieur Obeye, we yet they obey Jai, we will sacrifice. Watch and near man on what corner bed door for real baffle, especially when he has potential of making more money. Oh, Obey Jai will know what the Obeba one man will know.
Mama Bear,
nothing will stop him. I didn't see the way to
Mama Bear,
meet ya, mammy.
As a master. Akula repi your baby can na me fa free mu no. I say awale na egu krata no mo etwetwam. Yes. So what jam
exactly.
Na so what you can krata.
No way etwetwam.
Na afraid dem say debate mo contest. Me ka say mo bia me akabi. Mo nga say mo debate mo contest. Na obi ki mo kan pa ba na o be kan mo ma yen kabi mo debate mo contest.
Mama, my main cousin, yes, Akwesi.
See, me personally, I
Yeah.
think, sir, there was no ordinance for Lumba and Mameno. Like, me dream who baby, na baby, I'm for be a mentias here. Because, like, how
Well,
could, like, I don't think, sir, I don't think that's the ordinance, Lumba and who ordinance that.
you see, Akwesi, it's very easy for us to say, but baby,
No,
they accept the drone. Do
Mama
you
Bear.
guys really think that she will go this far? If
Mama Bear.
I mean, all this woman is a
Mama Bear.
lunatic.
Ntumi ni ọba ntumi wọ ọwọ kasa adi na ọba ntumi nyẹ.
Mama Bear, you know why she
Ọba ntumi wọ ọwọ kasa adi na
far?
ntumi nyẹ.
Akwesi,
Mama Bear.
You
yehu
think this
videos,
woman will
yehu videos.
when him support her?
Madam,
When
yehu
prominent,
videos, yehu
when will
pictures, so
prominent
please
people
stop.
like
Madam, video
support
bay.
mommy?
Madam, video bay.
One video,
And then who video of
When will videos of a civil marriage being conducted?
Video
When
baby,
will a civil
Busamo.
marriage being conducted? Akwesi,
Díẹ̀ sẹ́ mo marriage na mo kàn. Díẹ̀ na ẹ̀kọ́ so video bẹ́ẹ̀.
Mama can't say
video bang. Video bang. Who 19?
Wàhùnyà lumba kò sign contract bí a ọmọ sẹ́yìn ọmọ ní adìrẹ́ yìí ni.
video na mo canon. Video na mo canon. Yehu video no. I didn't say video no. I don't say video no. O man fa ko dia dance here. What do we answer the video no security?
It came after. That woman says the video after.
Lawyer, exactly. Mama Bear, lawyer Kusi say after one year na mama ni kwa share no.
Wow, look.
Me feel say uni me be na me feel say mama na ebi kro bi na fa sa de ni see. I am almost afraid to say that. Say, will be far, will be far.
One on anything.
Odobroni supporters and say,
Mama Bear,
ask yourself this, Eugene. If this man confidently married this lady, I'm dating a crowd, the warrior, the crowd, Minka. Say ya worry wo nukure mu a nukure ni we adult worry fellow adult. Why can't you even tell how old you are? Why is your age
even nukure anya say ya worry odobroni a case ni say ma me say oye she's married under the ordinance but she couldn't prove it. What I say
Pacho obi betumi akonya picture.
Why do you keep saying that she couldn't prove it?
Obi betumi akonya picture. Picture odobroni. Pacho obi betumi anya picture odobroni.
It was proven. It was more than proven.
Me was serious
the fact
question.
that she had a document that will not even be that confused the judge to the point to say, "Oh, say a pepper."
One by one now.
Okay, me busa no question. Mojiri say ayi odobroni betumi anya picture on the lumba hotels.
Odi asema
Me so be answer question when mama.
Sani ono wo pe. Enti ono wo certificate ni ye de ono wo.
Judge bi asema. Okay, me a odi na.
Asam de appeal. Enti odi e kese so wantimi improve why.
Okay, me nyankwa odi me answer. Me say Mojiri say odobroni betumi anya picture na oni lumba jina ho lumba e wo kelsida.
No, I don't believe so.
Why?
I think so, Mama Bear, because winning. Anyway, I've seen the Carol one.
Yeah.
She was very young. She was very young. When you look at her, she was
very young. Lumba bonity. Say lumba the time you are not bonity.
Me busa question. Mujiri say lumba ni odoboni wo picture lumba e shekel.
Before na
Me as far as person busa mo say.
Me who be, but I am
okay. It's possible. Me picture so ma me say wa any lumba etwa lumba bonity.
Yes, almost yeah wedding no.
And you say baby.
That photo was a jelly case.
That photo Akwesi, Akwesi tuntum. Akwesi. Yet then net 2026. And net 2026. You can crack and verify
video na no mo ware no.
Yo, okay.
You just probably verify.
Madam,
2026. How do you even argue about the authenticity of the video?
Because
easy to verify.
At the frontier, argue say
video ben na no mo ya omo wa.
Unim say omo itama.
Omo ya omo several marriage no. Mama say one.
When say before Mama say
that was a music video. That was a music video.
Madam, court. I say my men kwani awale no. At the country man for the Yamaka na judge say Woman the certificate we Akosua mo koji funu na ye no. Ye ka kiro mo say we ye mpe we wa ha. Monko na monko ye ni ye na mo fa ma.
Koji funu na ye.
Monti o ma men kama so ni. Hey, Akosua okope funu na je ye no. First court case no. Certificate one of the coin. And yes, if I call Germany, you go away, why no? And also, the evidence
because you're ready. I was seeing later on by February, they're buying. You're ready. And I'm sure judge and say, oh my yeah, they are in the process. But I they ask for more time.
Okay, what can be Mamma Kirby? And you're ready, Matthias. And you're ready, Media Matthias. One of them can say you're ready, Matthias. And you're ready. I didn't know you now. Yes, I'm new. I could not judge your names. I could jet in the Kutami. In the free Germany. And they also are called in the Kutano. If you're in the buy.
Kwasi, that Akwasi T.
Mabusa wants to focus.
They were free Germany. Bepacho mami answer.
Okay.
Na adie naba. But when judge natural one more processor or more fan control. And all say the process one more go so. They need more time. But certificate nankasa they have 1 year. But as a process now, we see them go through the day. Go so I can see. Come on.
No, what can I say? Musa. Paragraph name. Omo yesenye. Nakoha no. Judge me say for them my bread. The amoko ye we na mo ye we photocopy no. Mo ko fa no mo mra na me fra ni hwe. Eno so ya asem.
Akwezi nti omo no mo nkuta hwe. They have nothing in their hands.
Omo kuta bibi. Omo so photocopy na bi ebiniye. Omuko jiye free book bim. And a judge me say book na mo pay free mo no. The moko ye photocopy mo ni jina mani mo. Mo ko fa de mo ye photocopy dem na na mo ni hwe. Eno so a e asem.
Akwesinya sana net. I think say because of signatures near there no. Na other lawyers. Other lawyers no more Akwesi what kasa mo bi sun kasa biye.
They did everything. They were past that. They were past that.
Munchi.
Just no so sabotage nkrofo.
Yeah, wow, look. Hey na everybody's getting confused. Signature no. That was a problem.
Mami read you more. I was in your read you more. Page 93, paragraph 93. Paragraph 93. I see. Mami, 1 minute. Let me read you more. Why? 1 minute. Also, let me state that the plaintiff should have attempted to certify the German certificate, and by that she could have tendered in evidence such attempt being a letter written to the Ghana embassy requesting for certification. There wasn't any attempt. There wasn't any time requested. It is answer number can you know. A lawyer could see the bar court down one requested for any time. He was satisfied.
Eugene, he said that even before the verdict came.
Me see, it was verdict. Paragraph 93. Any paragraph 93. Also, let me state that the plaintiff should have attempted.
Judge, against.
Oh.
It is words against hers.
From commentary now, from commentary.
Aren't ya?
Aha, because you mun sem ni na ye no kure.
Wana ka cheo.
Me na America.
Verdict no e ade see court enye se obi na akọdwene na ọtwere bibi.
Ana me say yenye ntumu no.
Say bibia ekoso wo court e na ye nukra nka innocent people wouldn't be behind bars.
Court on.
Akwesi na yenye ntumu.
Court yendi nukra court. Yendi evidence for court.
She was believing rumors so. The judge was even basing her verdict.
The name of the game is evidence. The name of the game is
evidence. Ayiwo na yeketekete. Yeketekete. Yesi bebre ye kosui. Paper ba ku bi o. Ko fabra ni close case no ni fa bibia ma wo. Ene na wonam ha.
Akwesi na kan nyesa na net empacho. Na ye die chire report ni ba net na net ye. Ade no papa look judge no she was kind of okay, but the opposite lawyers no na no omo ye hard because signatures and then Akwesi hold on, let me talk. Okay, signatures na eba osi ontia say because for some reason no they bring a signature which clearly no is not the same as the one that was there before. I didn't get a bit of a confusion but me lawyer Kusi, I know he's a great lawyer, but I think say mistake or yeah wo honey say nanke was so process procedure, and to be honest with you, because it's our case no the time omu didi no it was too short.
But that's
something had to be authenticated. Maya, why would you go ahead?
He had no choice because the judge convinced him to obey Bibia. I'm telling you, he said that
I know the judge said
the judge, he was sabotaged. I'm telling you, he was sabotaged.
Judge, no busa omumienu. Say opese we case way by this by that lawyer kusina begina was the case way there why you be say baby food 1 month.
Yes, because no him say certificate no so I say yes
certificate no so
lawyer now because
bro so me bisa Bible same me so 1 minute me bisa Bible same. Hello sister, yeah say we what you say we case court now you say evidence here ready didn't also the case court
na say t no I think say as
my question let me rephrase the question
Eugene
Mr. let me rephrase my question
exactly
who na o person with the case court entino o nice bibi so ntino wo court entino die ne be kan wo court abra wo nim say evidence here ready.
Listen, on my file case, a year no, I think say almost short time me be on my file case. However, no authentication no, and one more is not within or more remit. Say authentication no has to be done at a particular time. And one more remit. And you know, I think the lawyer could say I only proceed and catch a judge and say I need an expert witness. And according to and this is what almost free court by it in a judge catch and so that German for you when you ask them to come they usually
and
reports. Lawyer Kusi
two parties na akokota omu obi argue the case me lawyer betimi abeka asem a kire me ba o lawyer so betimi abeka asem a kire wo ba wo lawyer betimi aka kire me so me say asem na me lawyer ka kire me no ensi wo court sa na me so me lawyer so betimi abeka kire obi say asem na wo so ka na ensi wo court entino de eye odina mfimfia ye beka say di asem poti ni si wo court no eno ye number 1 court proceedings any court verdict proceedings ni a minute by minute and be a course of court be on recording.
Eugene, please. I'm also confirmed it. He confirmed it or confirmed it. Okay, so
Ma na on the 12th of August the certificate ni kuramo, meaning say she knew what she was going to do tenenedru Ghana.
Of course, and
it really question ni say no prepare no 12th of August o cross certificate o dey but any document o dey but dey there. The other thing we say catch you say the document is ready as at 23rd November.
Okay, hold on, Eugene.
Ready.
Send I will canon. Eugene, send I will canon. That's not how it is.
Yes,
see, Mami no, initially, at this whole thing, Mami no nenye ni mindset is me be kokotin be yesi. Inti na nyama be briefad ni suno. Or no, all of the Akosua just happened because I had to say nyama fanasi. That's what I can say. Mami no, okay, Oma court, no, they had to do authentication. Lawyer Kusi said in his interview, the young boy, the lawyer, the small lawyer, Nisusu said it to say they were sending the certificates and they were asking for it to be authenticated, but for some reason it didn't come on time, and no one a problem no. And I'm telling you, so case we know if Nigeria for the normally 5 years in a year, clearly.
Why are you bringing Nigeria case when this case is totally different?
It's the same case, my
and it's the same case because the participants in Nankasa quite different. And we that the lumba, we Nigeria near friend.
The
merit isn't the same because
the merit is
the other party notified even the court to say Nikuru say Akosua will notify court to be say Nikuru ordinance and because it's a Nigeria case, you know. It's not the same.
What do you mean?
What are you saying?
No, the person me say the case, you know, you're on the surface, you're because of say ordinance any other woman you be say case need the same. But the merit of it, you know, is totally different because the other party now
is a case of ordinance. Ordinance is ordinance.
Madam, make us say civil case and as make us say our part of the world no. And yet, if 1 + 1 is equal to 2, or 2 - 1 is 1, and when Obiabe argue in the cases, and they say, the same laws, the same rules and regulations, but different lawyers.
There is a universal. Do you know
that
gold the same time one will be jailed, one might be set free because what me argue
Eugene, I'm just saying, do you know, when it comes to marriage, there's a universal law. Make the example what I say.
Anything about customary marriage.
Eugene,
now they are about ordinance. They are about civil marriage.
This is where ordinance means court can say the same. Agreed, Mebao. Agreed is the same. Ordinance marriage. The only thing they prove ordinance marriage is a certificate. So judge can simply say, besides every lack of certification, whatever, no, just bring in the document on site scene on passing judgment. Choka and enko. Yesterday the document wasn't able to provide it.
Certificate
no, that certificate was challenged. Say it like what certificate means, Baku. Ekura land commission said a stamp. Bakukura eagle won a background.
Because from my understanding, as the lawyers were, let me say, not lawyers, no, one more challenging into one more challenging. Now, my minister call me a certificate. Then somebody else will send a certificate with a different name because the person at the office at the time, no, or no any signature. That is what
that is no explanation. It doesn't concern the no, it's not their
that's which coming from you for Odobronika no aware
no listen because you go say Odobronika show the picture no that no make picture no
so what are you saying?
Madam Bible obia wo reason tia na yi na ho wanso na kwankro obi wo ho a wo de hyene papa obi so de hyene wofa obi so de hyene mame se de mame antena ware ase. The point of it say what reason tia when to provide the document and farmer no enye opponent lawyer nasem ne dey ne say wo share wo no you couldn't provide it. It will reasons in your case.
She provided a document. She provided the document. There was a document.
Three different documents.
I think we are running at this point. Stop.
Different documents.
Eugene, you are running.
Different documents.
Eugene, you are running. Stop. T. The document was presented. Judge, however she wanted to see it with the lawyers, and that's how they saw it, okay? And they or say it wasn't authenticated. And some people took the meaning as fake. And when it comes to authentication, it depends on the context. Obi say fake. Obi say it wasn't genuine. It's another matter. But the point is, she was able to present something or say, me married, I brought this. Challenges bahu, of course, and you're from Germany, and you're Ghana there, so challenges about what Matthias say. But Odobroni could not provide one picture. Yes, Odobroni did not provide a picture. There is no video of the 2010 marriage. Of the 2010 marriage, there was no picture, there was no video. Okay, so please.
Akosua kasa me improve me the obudu
say when him say one day I was on a platform on the platform in a guy be by the guy just say now one more year said those days no one more yes in Kofua one more effort artists near there, so they actually asked Lumba to perform that 2010 December no guy no oba life ni so aye omne ne kasa no or say Lumba came to that place with Odobroni in 2010 December, but or say Lumba this show is going to be wild, this show. So Lumba came into ye bisa guy and say into na wusha na Lumba no wo Germany and I said no wo Ghana, and a guy and said the way Lumba kasa and I think say Lumba was actually in Germany but Lumba just came to Ghana. Okay, so sa April na you say Lumba married.
Who's asking working? Who's asking sister? So why obet me do crab ho a me ba o. Why obet me do crab asema working ya. We see guy ni say the we another but the guy could not prove say or can 100% sure say on the cover that Lumba say we see free play mu. Obi adwen na watch assumption. But what the year asema can say any panic to say
yes or say Lumba say
what kind of
or say Lumba I'm saying what the guy said.
That date not the number no Germany date
no what me say I'm telling you I was on the platform
the right thing I'm betting say enka Odobroni candidate say na me ye no na mo so the challenging evidence aba say
challenge
listen appeal no eje mo na moko gina ho sana emu yes ye de moko kote mo kote no mo ken na se mo na moko ye be hia mo ho
Eugene Odobroni the esevu no the way I approve customary marriage Ghana is by witness and word of mouth. That's what Odobroni. Okay, that's the only thing that saved. Sorry, that's the only thing that saved her because so we did not court no so and that also shows the weaknesses in proving customary marriage in Ghana. Because if you are going to depend only on word of mouth and witness statement, then obiabit me did not court have my evidence when there is conflict of interest because Odobroni enuya ekunuba. In this case, no be come Odobroni because one come na obe Odobroni ho akere no nti oba call no because 2010 year whatever no ye de ba obe man fee which is questionable.
Ye kofi gina ho na mimi so asem gina ho ba bia wagina na ba bia wadu na eme de ma mimi so asem ho wo se wo kofa Odobroni nua ba no obe gina ho a na konta be gina ho a obe come Odobroni me ba cho na kofa ma Georgina oye ma Akosua danfo ba on kama ma Akosua
on come well come on meba
Oh, no,
my man responding
bisa semua mummy esi bisa ni bina asa bisa na semua na mo dia fa na
Eugene, you're comparing a but because mommy said what down for
no bisa that you no can say listen me ba o can be a plaintiff witness any defendant witness see defendant witness no
my man responding
channel ni me you miss for Martin said ma o de ma me ngra dwuma na o de mo to ask because you wouldn't allow me to also ask question you wouldn't allow me to ask question when you want them me bisa ko fi question but o ma ko fi answer. No, listen. I need to get down. So, I'm not going to answer the end of my ministry form. My ministry was not going to answer the ministry form because Kofi Mekasa, I'm sure we know how I'm missing a sem. But also, I'm missing a sem. Kofi
Mekasa, Eugene. Mekasa, Ewa. The meme clarify say. Mama say what down for one quiet witness. Oh, Kojina woman, Mama say one to one witness. That's what I'm saying.
And I'm saying, do yeah, what I say, power of attorney, the man,
no, a power.
Or see, or a plaintiff witness two, on the name my Georgina, witness one, a very saying, Marvin Poma. It will not buy, or by say in the interest of Mammy Serwaa. It is here because as a man only beside the questioner. Don't assume say what the customer be feel about because we are not as expert. Maybe Kofi Abotre. Georgina never came there as an expert witness. She came there as a witness for this or a plaintiff witness or a power of attorney being granted to her say to Akosua any sanity me wada Roma. Very good. It is Obama's assembly Obeka no. Almost apart from the cross examination the Oba conflicting in hono. Do one now or can Oba beka in the interest of Akosua any sanity.
Eugene.
And very good. And this was Bekasa, Nessa Becoma, Akosua side. Then one say Odobroni so a witness will be banner Kasa be in favor of Odobroni.
Because Odobroni warrior, quiet first to prove no, a word of mouth. Witness, Akosua say warrior the bar court, no quiet first to prove no, a by documentation. Ain't no also one very good. Mammy Cassandra, it's also one year authentication, on Jim to Manchester Akosua say one near warrior. Akosua say what the family book by or German and basic or letter by or the picture or mujina or sign by right but in ano yes ye jintum because one papa kwan paso ba odobo nyi no de sebu na ne yese Ghana warrior no ye de dance here and prove right but mo dance no ka che yese ye warrior no ya ka se twa picture bia ye warrior no e kwan ye paso ye ne da bia no ya anye ye bobe ma ne fie ne be ye enti no and on the customary marriage. And Kakoya Akosua say what any be an corner so cap. Oh, nya sa position is on here. Ono say a no. Enti mo kana mo yente say the Akosua say one for bibia amante no.
Kofi Mame ka sem tro. Baby a wo de na Mame fa wo point so ma. Time Mama Akosua ntimi and dispute went me anka ne ordinance marriage no. Owie ye result to back a friend saying customary marriage no. The save no say the same word by Matt na you so they can e bia na you did so the same customary warrior
but the difference they say Akosua say wow then the customary marriage pictures e core right 1991
listen
meba okay who say the same Akosua say why the word of mouth na nye no nko a or then the customary marriage pictures 1991 e core right and then no mu ko gina ma abusu apanya be ka cha mo say no then ho sa aba from the 2018 letter. What I say? 2018 letter. Say or no 2018 no or control letter say Lumba Abono. Lumba ejan ho Germany. Lumba abetna Ghana wari into uja wari. Amo mo de no abegina court say sa wari no. The picture say ka ho na egu. Right? Entim Akosua say wa evidence on the back court no. Say nya Germany no the evidence ni free bad dia. Enka odobo nyinka case wo oni case na maybe lawyer could see a bad job and no I relax say okay me want this marriage certificate in once I prove you ordinance na there and one no then and again Akosua say what dey bia me ka say the bones have no lawyer could see because he did a bad job won't me in fact client and ba embe na call now why your family court cases now we will be free Germany ba unim kwa inquiry then the certificate for so back court abelusu easy case we I'm will be a church.
And winning, Kofi Asama can to add to it. Kosi Mikai, one of the interviews meeting so say oh case wey there certificate for home ordinance wey there easy I don't even need to research. So you see he became a little bit
he was overly confident.
exactly. Because there were witnesses and there was
and Bible, don't blame him because it was supposed to be an easy case.
exactly.
But it was just made cumbersome for no reason. You know, it just stretched out for no reason.
I know see Kofi, I know see no some of us were quite disappointed, but when him near a injunction need any see wa Accra no a hona fidie, some of us started thinking, is something going on? Because we are here to say something is not adding up. But then again, Ghana we day. Yawa nanas then confirm some videos me judges me. I leave it for another day.
Unim kakra meka to no Kofi Mamenka semchero Kofi Mamenka semchero say meme ewo asem na I know some right na also okay so unim say we right na wo take you case say baby a wo gidi say obenya tentene eye bia ama ho na ye kone ye koka asem na mabu asem no na sa anko ama na fe de wo beka say because of some history bia na say some unfortunate incident be a sintino wugidi say amaje demudia no kreni na wo anya no kwafo because the ntia make say say enye say ebia sabi amaje demudia da wo ba me tie ne say wo na wo feel say be bia obenya tentene eye ho na wo de me call ho so what them tell na say enti wo be say say ye call ye na ebuma wo a enka ubenya de say enka wo de wo fa ne say eye no kura na say enye no kure anko ama wo nti no
so me say a question
e wo say me ba o na Kofi Wadaroma Goko Ghana ye won baby ba ye di asem ebi ya hemfie ebi ye court ebi ye sebi ebi kwampa empanifo ne tutinem ADR ni nema but wo say wo de no baby a wo de wo feel say wo benya tentene ne eye bia ye we etisi ye ko na ye ko ye no enye se ye ko tena ye no single court there say uko ya first day na ne ebu asema ma uko bo wo nkuru na so me bo mi nkuru ene ye say wo ba na wo ji wo hudi ba wo krata fa be kire say no kwese ebia ye mfa ma wo no wantimi ye mfa ma enti no se ye de ma wa enye yie ba wo so de ne de wo kru ya na wo me kru ye bi kwa asem ka ebu abome ba wo witness akofa ba ye na be kire ekwan ye fa so ware wa santimemu ena judge ni say se wo di ekwan ye fa so ware wo asantimemu a any written law by the moment customary law no so we take based on the expert witness now wo plaintiff no na say wo we no wo de buy no a so they call there any obeka say abaya no so ye yere but wo de na wo de bre me no de ndie oko ba bia na wontimi nka say ye improve ordinance marriage without a certificate until until so betimi this document na ba no wo awore no matwa sensen kakra mumienu nyina mo ye efie yere a ni be na judge na ya abubu ni
certificate call ye Eugene ene na me person
certificate na wo de call ye no Ghana wo mra ekwan ye fa so de certificate ewura court Ghana wo mra
me de no kwa de
wo anye sa de no a wontimi nka say wo fa kwati kwan e de abegua Kofi ye no say ye niam ye wo mo sheda say the first say that the no man ma go say aboduma me nka bi malo ya enu fi ye tum la ntumu ana
na odobro ni witness no obeka ya e ma judge na gidi
ama ma menka no correct for the first time menka no correct no you say ma me ba Bible the first time me admit bibi case ne do time bi na odobro ni side ni nim say they are almost losing the case where the thing overturn no the expert witness especially eba ya Africa na kantanka baye to come and explain a customary marriage that happen wakan especially Asantia mamamrim and odobro ni lawyer no lawyer Dominic mo did a very good thing say omo bisano types and kinds of marriage in Akan all na okay kana omo say bisano say na you will be your friend say obani bema tena the reason Emma papa no ekoso give you so much detail that is when the say okay say something for you wari bi o friend say woni oba tena che na se ekoyesi se na busue nimu na mu yese ya ekwan bi so ye gitum say ya ware ye eti judge ne ku eruli no okay say we dey yen forget about say you worry odobro ni wo feel say yan worry no feel say you is see o na eno mfre the marriage by conduct say mo tena say a mo na mamanfo di tu mo hu say mo ya aware no edije no one go details kwan ko he say odobro ni be e ware wona say be en ware o you the marriage by conduct and what the judge
and to judge ni go up and down just they are married
Eugene every few mami the who feelings is emra yes say no Ghana on and no need different
mami say question
say Kofi you know me ba wa daroma me pese wo man yenu man ti ase say the who free say yes be emra won ye nkyere adwen the who free say no nye emra e wo Ghana on
Any brother, any documented the expert witness never can, no. Say any documented in law, yeah. And you didn't say judge or accept it.
And you sister, in law. The man court need you 2 minutes say. When you the man court need you 2 minutes say.
You didn't see.
Adia court need the man court need you 2 minutes say. Adia court no yentro no black and white wo constitution say Ghana way no obekwa kokko say me kwan na me koye mehwehwe mu ebi so ni say wo be the expert witness me ba e one second tanka go find by
you je mama bisa a question on say odobro nye witness o say that lumba say omo ware no on pictures ho right and so okofa and so court proceedings no omukọ fa picture by na odobro nyi nsakura no amanfo we yakusimu push back question say picture here that way no is it looks manipulated right then so ko we ase no judge make the decision no o say me won fa wait to so ho no na amanfo ka say bia na judge no ye bias was what your moise
the all can nyina ne tio the all can nyina ne say the all can nyina me tio mo say judge ni na dwen say if there is nothing like marriage by conduct no say afi dey or go into a kwanya aware no do say one na say anware no no a that is when those pictures no use but baby an wo gina ne say bempomanim aba ayi odobro ni o si an minim no bet me bran ware no ye fe no nto bimpoma wa acknowledge say abaya no ne wo bran nete an ma acknowledge on me bran nete wa acknowledge say oni wo bra wo ma na wo ba ebeto apmofra ni din an ma acknowledge sa okay abaya na busuafo omugi tumu say na omudi hye no ne dade lumba nete an ye gitum zizi dade lumba yare no ma bimpoma wo ba Ghana no beto wan me beto odobro ni ne maame so mo hwe menua bema no okay so that is where the conduct comes say families are aware say enkofo mienu we they are playing the role of marriage e wo Ghana say ma ko fit me prove ordinance na ka we nyina ya abolish
okay me question I'm want to say witness now or say o man a chocolate our car say one witness is enough e court no so our witness now no ono na after proceedings no obeka che say that lumba no picture right but at the same time no with the picture by yeah question no so I also put it out so for the judge to come out and say that
say akwanya wo say
to picture no so
akwanya wo say omo be ko appeal but as of now maybe you tell person you nima moti ase ne mewo maybe person you nima moti ase ne say the first wo de wasema court
cause you say appeal when
well, I'm just not keeping my hopes high because say our section 161 say no I'm Akosua Serwaa then I don't know anywhere obetimi any case no right so appeal court judges need to know because you know during that no of a kind of so paper say one authenticated document no on jintu na in a discretion say about to also made the certificate na code there then I don't know anywhere else obetimi any case no so I'm just not keeping my hopes high.
When Kofi, to be honest with you, me, I'm in two minds as well. But I really wish Mami Akosua well. But Mr. So I'm in two minds just because Nyama mi no. Sometimes I ask a few questions.
And Akosua Serwaa is here. The property on that lumba.
Yes.
Say omumienu edina was what. That's where her leverage is. Apart from another there, I don't know anywhere else. So where we near appeal now, because Leakusi did a bad job. I mean, that's the truth. I was saying, kind of crazy.
For underestimate case,
he was
or you're so overconfident. Yeah, or you're so underestimate the opposing lawyers.
She has the word
over underestimate the opposing lawyers. Say, as he say, Okasa will say, why tried there you over 20 years in the bar anyway. Who say case? I'm a who could case? Na say, oh, yenina it we go to the case with the for Bejones. Eh, says Sanet. Who say you are surprised by the use it was. Ma Georgina ne Mimpoma Mono like Omombe witness in ya do never cross examination, you know, as if say they were not even coached.
She did a bad job. Me first say no corporate or no. Even if the judge is being biased in Pona, you don't.
You have the situation. You have the situation.
So court box in the man. Why your referee? Don't give anybody chance to throw your case out. You know, so when him say why your family case is that. Now, so when him say authenticate baby, now the client about why, then you have to be able to coach the client and say, okay, quite was offer so one yet now come judge quine. I'm over 2 case, easy case go, who videos, who pictures, who documents. Now to man, then you have to first blame yourself. If you are able to blame yourself
and Kofi, in addition, knowing say evidence act no also more pass it through how does he say the certificate and everything no papa see no papa see but no papa see a record no say say oh na judge no person wo hu na media akɔkyerɛ no be say once I also who know say crowd when say I pass it through the correct channel why should it be even from papa see say me na me koje na media ba no wan fan ko for baby na or what dey be record generation is him
the papa say she so mo koje no from Ghana embassy letter no mo koje no right and no say small mo ko Ghana embassy koje be no ko no mo sa koje no your sister na mo koje me ni ko authenticate no mra. So what you say?
Say no a plan of first one what they ba no e no kwa no e start to show me so say omo nyi the plan ben of first one outside this document na cause they bring.
That's me. Hopefully I will say what wins the appeal.
The thing is, as professionals, so sometimes we bet a mistake and you reflect. I'm sure say lawyer Kusi, he must have really reflected on some maybe because it's like I don't blame him because I just feel like I deal with there's something. BBR does not make sense to me when it comes to this case, to be honest. But Mimi Fee said, Tama, one more lawyers no one more this is fake. Like the lawyers were like
it was never fake.
It was said or say no. I think say Marcus, let's pause a procedure way. Now you making sure say authenticate. But nipa, he's a lawyer. He's a professional. Professionals. Now there are times you can make wrong judgment, and probably this is one of those. And I'm sure he's reflecting on AB.
Kofi Mpasho, I mean, Bisawasamo. The new evidence because na say the I'm quite so banana or Marco presente.
So at least they may be a lawyer, but they met your platform where they say for them to accept the new evidence, they have to even start their appeal proceedings, right? I was almost scheduled to appeal, so no be able can ask them as a new certificate. So I don't even understand why all media must say certificates now. I be drew was it January or February? Right, I didn't even understand that, but so I cannot even comment a lot on that. But to say that Akosua Serwaa the wedding is on video. Wedding here show video so.
But I don't know. Has that video and me and Drew Koto.
Send it. And Drew because sometimes Lawyer Kusi did that interview, no, so sadly, I shouldn't have because
Bible, the great the service Lawyer Kusi and say, and some see what court no. Oba no can't be obedi motivate people or wabontin. On can the writing is see what court
but looking back you do no kasa no crap because as I'm making after judgment Oba cancer no video
countless occasions now Lawyer Kusi Opia, no about the catcher say even this is a record time. The judge is doing the great thing. Oh, this case is cheap and cool. This is a record time, say. But actually, a judgment by ya uncle here. Now for say, how can you use 1 month to authenticate to do this? You know, at not that time, I've not. Or can be of which are not on crime man and say. So we have my timer. You have a per legal say no me say. Who can be bad? Will be to me action and some more mom now. Why you know beyond your boy?
Eugene, na onimu said a year na on person no. Ade ala ka so in say me here more time. That one ka judge ntim ga say no men for mamo. Cause court asem na would you know. Judge na ka so for mama and you have every grounds to do what you guys are doing now. What could you not say we a baby food who are betting here waiting not do one and yeah or because of judge the crime engineering.
But so
I think say I don't want us to go too much on.
So one analyze the case ni bi omonso asa video na epie no. So Akosua say why the wedding picture aba na ozi wonjin tum. E was all called authenticate here. And your video no na ba sesa decision.
No muntie. See sa video no right? Obi abegino say German for ordinance no. E sa kwa na ye no. That's one. Two, data omo de call court no.
Say it was just a ceremony.
It was a ring also.
Mamen kamasem. Date na obeka say omo wale ye no. December 23rd as a day then. Yes, it's a day to Saturday or man be it is a demos.
And then of course it was a Thursday.
Wow, and then no cry.
Opa we are check almost December 23rd.
Almost
yes, a holiday crying.
Let's have a big
yeah, new versatile bill. No,
Akosua can say, and Saturday na Saturday. Even if it was Saturday, do you know say abrochire how worry no? Yeah, and then you koye no.
Okay, finish.
Yeah, do you know say abrochire how worry no? And then you koye no your friend saying registry ne ayi ho no mo. Obi wo ho no ma wutimi fa obi a or what license say o mama ne license say wotimi officiate aware no
asem no mo ka be Benham sense and your professional conformity bi enti enye obi o mo ko fa no krom ho yi ni bi no mo enyam na me kan o mo be kan
mama ne be kan
ayi mama say wa ma no be kan date no enyam na me kan e no mo so Benham
say wa oba platform is no be kan
me pa cho court ni na ye ready bi
what's it there
court Ede na no show bi enum e mo bi ko kama no ni nyina ye TV
see there was so ye no way
almost so mo ko ye no say ayi Benham clinic as ni nyina ye yi German phone enomani bi enye private ye mo ko je into e no
be private who say omo na ye mo license no mo atimi wo mo ba bi a omo officiate aware no wo ho enye ne private you
ceremony so ho.
Yeah, one more license. One more kasa one space. Officiate aware no honum. Space.
December 23rd, 2004. It was a Thursday. We Google
December 23rd, 2004. No check it say that's the problem.
It was a Thursday. It's a business day.
A business day. Before Christmas.
You said it was Saturday.
Yeah.
You said it was
Thursday.
Now okay, Thursday now. Which one is which?
Monty, Papa Biaba certificate. I'm a registered for Nigeria.
But Ada say UK had abroached 23rd, 24th. Time are you closing for Mejuma?
It's not about closing. And all
24th, they do a manager by 12. No, Amawako. 24th, Ejuma woho. We still work.
23rd, 24th, no, or Momo ya wale those places.
They wouldn't close. Especially UK ha every professional.
Madam, Tiasma American,
24th ne close it. Close it 23rd. I'm talking about UK.
Yeah, pretty me kakakra.
Papa Kasawai, Venuelco.
Yeah, Venuelco GH construction company.
Okay.
The crap meeting I can say,
Apaba.
I can't know, Joso. I can't know your friend BB and Pena Warrior. So when you're back now,
voice here look a girl.
what's it? I can't remember your friend BB and Pena Warrior. Empna warrior whereby oba no nhyɛ da nkɔ ofie sɛ kɔɛ ne ho adeɛ but abusuafoɔ no nyinaa nim sɛ mote sa warefoɔ and I think sɛ Ghana ha kɔ ne constitution no kram sɛ ɔne ɔba tena dan mu bɛyɛ 6 months na BBC no nya dansefoɔ ɛkyerɛ sɛ ampa mene ne te dan mu te sa warefoɔ a ɛnkwan bi so no Ghana mmara kora ho ne sɛ ɔyɛ ɔyere ne yɛbɛtumi aba mu ne sɛ bia bɛrima no aware obi legally and never boss I didn't go. Bemano enquire ordinance marriage oh baby your constitution edge and pena warrior tomb. Akosua Serwaa the only thing I saw you say to me prove say Bemano me worry no legally. And now went to me she didn't prepare the case enough. And as any Amokan and the lawyers one. Utie Akosua Serwaa lawyers now. Akosua Serwaa ni din wo ni document nsu nyina no Chandela ye kai say waware before in your the process na mo pese ye defan e be take nti ye sre e be hia mrese ka court na de be mo but they didn't had anything like that ni bibia sa their marriage no tradition cause lumba onye stupid say onu bi won krata wari aba be san be wari foforo ha